The Metro Codes Department is struggling to deal with the coronavirus right on the heels of Nashville's devastating tornado.
The department is trying to reduce exposure for the public and its employees by having people submit plans electronically.
Investigative reporter Ben Hall found the already understaffed department faces a long list of new challenges.
They are hard to miss. Codes inspectors have marked unsafe buildings in the tornado zones with these orange signs.
We must let the owner know, we must let the public know that we think there's structural damage and that the building could be unsafe.
Metro Codes Director Bill Herbert estimates inspectors put the signs on 600 to 700 buildings, including businesses, churches, and apartments. Codes will take them off when the building owner gets a structural engineer to write a letter that the building is safe.
We absolutely honor that letter and we'll take that down, take this sign down immediately.
Herbert says some apartment owners have misinterpreted the signs, ordering renters to get their belongings and get out within 20 minutes or less.
This is not a vacate and close order. This is not an order that compels people that they can't go in, that they must stay out.
Codes has been strained to the limit after the tornado, inspecting buildings and now fast-tracking building permits, telling people that if they're just repairing shingles on their roof, they don't even need a permit. But for electrical or structural work, they do.
Do you have enough manpower to deal with what we're facing?
Honestly, we'll just have to see. We'll have to see.
A Metro Council report on the Codes Department issued before the tornado stated Codes is significantly understaffed and operating at max capacity. It states the department currently has 116 employees, but staff levels have not kept up with the city's growth. But it's not just the staffing. The report said the fleet of cars the staff uses to travel to inspections is aging and unreliable. Codes has 65 inspectors, but only 56 vehicles. The report recommends the department start renting vehicles. Herbert hopes the entire Codes fleet will be rental cars by April 1st.
We're going to have to deal with this with the staffing levels that we currently have.
But most importantly, the report recommends adding 10 additional employees. Herbert said the mayor and council have signed off and the positions are already being advertised.
The problem is that by the time we hire them and train them, it may be 6 months before they're up and going. So is that going to help us immediately? No, it's not.
Codes Director Bill Herbert says one employee is meeting face-to-face with tornado victims, but that's only if that person does not have access to the internet. Ben Hall, News Channel 5.